Good morning. Today we are going to learn some basic sketch and dimension geometrical constraints using NX11. So using today's lesson, we are going to learn how to make this particular drawing shown on the screen fully defined, fully constrained. So let us start. So I have opened the software here. So first of all, what you can do is you can go here customer defaults. So we are going to set a working directory first of all. So go here customer defaults, then go to directories, and here you can go here browse, then you go to your PC, then go to the required drive, then let us say one of the directory you are going to select is NX some directory. You have to name it properly, then you make it OK. Then you can apply it. So by doing this, whatever the work you are going to save, it will be automatically stored into that particular location. So many other options are there which we will learn later at a later stage. So apply. Change to customer default options do not take effect until you have restarted your NX session. So give OK. Then close it. So we have set the one of the working directory option. Now you are going to make the first sketch. So you can click here new. Then normally we will be going into this model environment. Here you can give a name. Say, let us say you give the name exercise number 1. Then here again you can set a working directory. So already you can go here, my computer, this PC. Then for initial setup you can do this NX exercises. Just selected the same directory, then OK. Then one more time you make it OK. So now we are ready to start our first exercise. So first what I am going to do is I am going to use the sketch tool, sketch say environment. So select this. So now you have to select a plane. By default on plane option is there, on path is there, but we are going to learn the introductory part, so we have to use this on plane. So by default you can see that you can select any of the 3 planes which are available by default. So we are going to select this XY plane first. You can see the indication X is in this direction and Y is in this direction. So if you select this plane, you can see that there is a red color highlighted as well as a new selection. The plane selection is also appeared. Then OK. So you can see that this is the X direction, the red color arrow, and Y is the green color arrow. Now we have to make this particular sketch and dimension it. So either you can make a line, continuous line, or line by line, whichever is convenient to you. You just observe the drawing clearly. So we have to draw one perpendicular line, horizontal line, angular line, again vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, and close the sketch. So here you can see there is an option called profile line. So if you select this profile option, you will get a continuity. When you draw the line, you will get the continuity, but make sure that using this you can make curved lines also. So it should be, you have to choose this carefully. So let us choose this particular option. Then you can click the origin point. You can see XC, YC 0, 0. Click there, existing point, sketch origin. Okay. Then draw some, you can see length 52 and angle 90 is already showing. So 52 is approximately close to 50. So I'm going to make that value here. So I think this is something like 40. Okay, let it be. Now let us make some adjustment here. Then line like this. So I'm going to make the sketch to shape in one stretch. Okay, so cancel. So I made a closed sketch, but here if you notice or not, I don't know, see here there is a constraint. So now if I try to pull this, some change is happening to the entire profile. Why? Because here there is a constraint which I do not require. So what I am going to do, I will explain later. So this constraint happen between this line and the midpoint of this line. So I am going to forcefully delete this. Okay, I don't want that particular constraint. Okay, now one by one I am going to define the dimensions. So let us refer the drawing here. 50, 40, 10, 60, 70, 30, like that. So let us define one by one. So whatever dimension is available, you can directly edit. I think that will be the first option you can do. So this is 10, already we know. So double click and enter the value 10, enter. That is done. Now actually we want to give some other dimension. So this height we want. So you can go to the rapid dimension here, go to rapid dimension and select the any line. You can see the line is getting selected, line, then next line, then place it. Okay, then you enter the value, that is 50. Okay, then here this dimension also we know, that is 10. Okay, this is 10. So give the value here, 10. Okay, then we don't want this dimension. We want actually, okay, here this dimension we can define, that is 40. Let us do that. So again you can select this line and this point, click here and enter the value 40, 40, enter. Now this dimension also we know. Okay, this is given here, 27. How much is that? It is 30. So directly we can enter this 30. Now we want two more dimensions, that is from here to this edge and here to this edge. Let us define those dimensions. So this line and this line, here it is 70, and again one more dimension from this line to here, it is 60. Okay, now one more thing, you have to arrange the dimensions. It takes some time to arrange it neatly so that it will give a lot of easiness when some other people or you are going to refer the drawing at a later stage. Okay. Okay. Now this particular, you can see here, sketch is fully constrained. So this is saying that you cannot change any value here. This sketch is fully constrained. You can try to drag this and find out that this particular sketch is fully constrained. You will get this message. Okay. Now we have to draw 2 more circles to complete the sketch. So let us draw one circle here and another one more circle somewhere here. Okay. Now cancel. Okay. Now we want to see here, you can see there is a horizontal one small blue line here, that it means that this center point and this center point are aligned horizontally. Now next thing I want to do is I want to make these 2 circles equal. How can I do that? Select this circle and select this circle and equal radius. You can do this, right? Now you can see here the dimension is there, dia 7.2. This I will edit to dia 10, because if you have any doubt you can refer my figure. So dia 10 2 holes. Now here I want to maintain the dimension 30 and 20. So let us do those dimensions also. So from here, okay, you can scroll little bit, then select the center point here and give the value 20 or 20 or 30. It is 30. Okay, so edit 30, enter. Now here 20 and 45, 20 and 45. So here already 12.8 is there. So this I will change to 20, and one more dimension I have to add. So from here to here it is 45. So now again you can check that sketch is fully constrained. It is it says that the sketch we have completely defined with the available dimensions. So with this exercise we have learned how to complete the given drawing. It's a simple sketch. Okay, this is the first exercise. So I'm going to end the this lesson here. In the next lesson we will learn another exercise, that is the second one. This particular exercise we will be doing in a similar way, right? So now you can save it, save. So, or you can check again, file, save as, to see that it is saved. Example 1, exercise 1, some other drawing also it is there, don't worry. So it is saved. So finish sketch, and if you want you can save one more time. Okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Thank you.